In this video, I'm tackling that annoying problem of a toilet flange not being leveled right after you've almost finished your bathroom reno, especially when it's sitting too high, like half an inch off the finished floor. So, here's the deal. When your new toilet flange is nearly 3/4 of an inch from the subfloor on one side and around half an inch on the other, it definitely can mess with your toilet's seal and stability. First off, you gotta make sure the flange is level because toilets need a solid, even base to avoid leaks or rocking. Since you've already reseated it a bunch and it still won't level out, it sounds like that 4-inch cast iron pipe isn't coming straight up, which is a classic pain. One trick is to use flange spacers or a flange extender ring. They're thin rings that can help raise or level out the flange without ripping everything apart. Another hack is to install a thicker wax ring or even a wax-free toilet seal designed for uneven flanges. They can compensate for a bit of height difference. Also, double check that your finished floor height matches the flange height recommendations. Usually, the flange should sit about 1/4 inch above the finished floor. If it's too high, it can break the wax seal, too low, and you risk leaks. Lastly, if you're stuck with vinyl plank flooring, LVP, make sure it's the right thickness and installed properly because too much height difference can cause trouble with the flange alignment. One of the biggest mistakes folks make with toilet flange installation is ignoring the pipe alignment. If your drain pipe isn't perfectly vertical, it'll throw off the flange no matter how many times you try to reseat it. Another common issue is using the wrong type or thickness of wax ring. Don't just grab any old one from the store. Look for those made for uneven surfaces or thick flanges. The third problem is not checking your finished floor height before installing the flange. This can lead to having to redo parts of your work. The simple fix? Always measure twice and prep your drain pipe properly before setting the flange. Use flange extenders if needed, and pick the right toilet seal for your setup. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find reliable local contractors without all the headache. Plus, if you're a contractor looking to score more jobs, their platform makes hooking up with clients super straightforward and hassle-free.